Hold on, I got a fish. We got a fish, baby. Hold on. I think it's...
What kind of fish is that?
I don't know.
Ooh,
It's a... Oh,
ooh, ooh. What is that?
it's a blue runner.
A blue runner?
Yeah.
Never seen that. Oh, wow.
Yes, we have some blue runners.
A blue runner?
Blue runner, big one. Yes.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Wow.
blue runner.
Wow.
Let's catch more. Alright, so I got the blue runner with this pompano jig rig with a teaser. This is a good sign.
Lots of ocean fish.
So I caught a blue runner on this side. There's probably a school of it, so we will keep throwing the jig on this side, see if we can catch more. Yeah. Yeah, just put it back there. We will use it as bait later. Yes. Oh, it's a lizard fish. Nah. Second species for today is a lizard fish.
Wow.
Lizard
There's a
fish.
fish. They got lots of teeth.
Yeah, it's got teeth on it.
Oh, man, they have teeth on it. Oh.
Sharp teeth, sharp teeth, sharp teeth.
Wow. Look at that lizard fish.
Okay, lizard fish. There you go. Okay, so I've got the crab here, and I'm using it as bait. It's a small crab, and I cut it in half. And let's see if we can catch a drum. Alright, we have another catfish, and it's a big one. A never-ending catfish. Hope it's gonna be a redfish next time. While waiting for a bite on the cut bait, I kept throwing the jig also, but didn't get a bite.